Alright, here's an update on my Skywalker clone. This is a 66-inch wingspan, I believe it is, airplane designed really just for FPV. You can purchase this plane commercially if you're so inclined. The reason I didn't purchase it is I think it's about $100 or so, which is not bad, but then shipping from China is pretty expensive. So I had a bunch of foam laying around, this half-inch blue core foam, and so I decided just to put one together myself just for the heck of it. Basically what I did was I looked at a diagram of all the original Skywalker parts, a top-down view. I have an image of that here. And I knew the wing dimensions, so using the wing dimensions I scaled the rest of the measurements up and came out with this plane right here, which looks surprisingly a lot like the Skywalker. I've got my little dihedral on the ends of my wings here, and while it's not a true airfoil, I did make a KFM2 airfoil on it all the way, so hopefully that'll be good enough. The fuselage is made all out of half-inch blue core foam, and it's partially taped up right now. I'm going to go ahead and finish taping it here, I think after the maiden flight. I want to make sure it flies well. But it should carry a lot of weight, I hope. The tail, or the vertical stabilizer, I made out of half-inch foam and then just sanded an airfoil in it, covered it with tape. The horizontal stabilizer that sits on top is just made out of made out of regular foam board and covered. And then I've got an elevator right there. I've got a wooden spar down the middle of the airplane. Motor mount right there. Should be able to take a 10-inch prop, maximum size. The wings just rubber band on. Other than that, it's coming along pretty good, and I can't wait to see how it flies. The only problem I'm having is with wing flex, and as the wing flexes, it affects the movement of the aileron here. So as these bend up, it moves the aileron. So I need to stiffen, I think, those wing tips a little bit more. I just put some wood spars in there. It's not going to do it. So maybe some carbon fiber or fiberglass spars in there might work a little bit better. I just don't want to be in a situation where I'm doing maybe a hard bank turn and the wings are flexing and I'm not getting proper aileron control because of it. So that's the only issue I'm running into right now, and the only thing I've really got to resolve. Other than that, it's ready for electronics. These two motors that I'm considering, they're both Exceed RC Rocket series motors, and the quality is really nice. They're good looking motors. I think they work really well. I've got this one, which is a 1200 kV. Let's see if I can focus on that. Probably not. It's a 3015 1200 kV. This is about a 115 gram motor, and I'm going to put this on first. I think this is going to be plenty enough for it, but if not, I have a little bit bigger one right here, which is the 3020 1200 kV motor, and it's also a 1200 kV motor, but it's about 150 grams if I'm not mistaken. Pretty big, pretty heavy. I don't think I'm going to need that one. I think the smaller of the two will do a good job. I've got plenty of room, just like the Skywalker does, inside of here for batteries and whatnot, which I'm probably going to need to make this thing balance out. I'm probably going to need a ton of weight up front. So I'm thinking about 6,000 or 8,000 milliamp hours worth of battery. Perhaps another battery for the FPV equipment, and we'll toss it in the air and see what happens. I'm looking forward to seeing how it flies, and I'll go ahead and post that video when I make it. See ya.